Okay, so you just downloaded Warzone and you want to change your display name right now. So first go to your settings on the top right, and then we have different menus. We want to go all the way down to account and network. Click on it, and now we have different options again. Click on the second one, Activision account. And now you can see your recent Activision ID. And down here you have the option to change your display name. Click on change display name, and now you have a warning. So your current display name is right here, and then under it you have 2 tokens. And as you can see, you earn 1 rename token every 6 months. So after you spend tokens, you can change your name every half year. Then type in your new name and click on confirm and restart, and the new name is displayed in game. If you want to add a clan tag, go all the way back again to your Warzone menu and then go to your profile on the top and all the way down to edit clan tag. Then you can type in up to 5 characters and click on save, and now you have your clan tag added to your name. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.